guys, this is Sean of Ultima Cyberzone. And today is a very special day kasi ngayon bubuin natin ang ating unang gaming PC. Medyo mid to high to, okay? So ano-ano yung mga kailangan natin to build this? First, we need a power supply, a graphics card, of course, ang ating PC case, our motherboard na kinabit ko na, okay, prior, and yung ating memory na kinabit ko na rin siya, okay? So let me tell you something about ano yung mga pinili kong brand para sa build na to and bakit, okay? So first, for the power supply, I chose yung Prime Platinum ng Seasonic na 650 watts kasi I believe ito yung sweet spot para sa mga build na ganito. It gives you ample, actually more than enough power supply na consistent ang kanyang rating. At the same time, it is also future-proof kung sakaling kung sakali lang magdodoble kayo ng powers ng GPU or magdadagdag pa kayo ng mga RGB lights or maybe cooling, okay, all-in-one cooling or liquid cooling, kayang-kaya ng power supply na to. Mind you, this is the Platinum series of Seasonic. It means na kahit na 650 watts siya at meron kayong nakitang 800 watts, 700 watts na mas mataas sa kanya, very important ang rating, guys. Because ang rating, dun mo malalaman yung efficiency ng power supply. So pag sinabi nitong 650 watts siya, most probably, dahil Platinum series to, 650 watts talaga siya. Unlike ng other brand, ng other power supplies na mas mura, medyo may kamahalan to, na mas mura is hindi talaga yun yung power yung binibigay nilang power. Okay? So very important yan. Power supply is sometimes overlooked by PC builders kasi bakit ka naman magagastos ng napakalaki sa power supply, especially for this power supply I have right now. This is actually one of the most expensive. Power supply lang naman yan. Any power supply can make your PC work, and that is true. Actually, kahit yung medyo nasa sub 2,000 na power supply, kaya naman yung patakbuhin yung PC mo, no? Kaya nga lang, there's a risk na hindi consistent yung power na binibigay niya, and therefore in the long run masisira din yung PC mo or magkaroon ng defect or hindi niya na-achieve yung dapat niyang ma-achieve na performance, especially for graphic cards, okay? And speaking of graphic cards, for the graphic card, pinili natin ang, okay, iuurong ko lang sandali ito at mahulog. Pinili natin ang Palit GTX 1080 Ti. So this is the Palit 1080 Ti, okay? So what I like about this graphic card is that it is currently lumabas to 3 years ago, but until now, this based on the benchmarks na nakikita ko online and at the same time nababasa ko, this is a very very capable graphic card even now na 2020. This actually ang katalo lang sa kanya is the 2080 Ti. Okay? Not even the RTX 2070 Ti, not even the 5700 XT of AMD. No. This is only outperformed by the 2080 Ti, knowing that 3 years pa itong GPU na to. And for this particular 1080 Ti, Palit yung kinuha na brand is because, well, Palit is a very very tough brand. It's a very matibay na brand. Tried and tested, guys. 3 taon na ako sa more than since 2015 pa ako into computers and may mga shops. Ang lahat ng graphics card ko Palit at gumagana pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. And by the way, yung ating elite package is a Palit brand. It's a Palit 1050 Ti. Ito 1080 Ti, yon 1050 Ti. So malayo siya, but at the same time important yung brand especially for graphic cards kasi doon mo makita yung tibay niya, okay? And I decided to go with Nvidia na graphics card rather than an AMD because of the drivers. Sabihin na natin na sa panahon ngayon ang graphics card ng AMD is actually, lalo na yung 5700 XT, sobrang powerful niya for the price to performance, sobrang sulit siya. The problem is, the drivers. Okay? And for me specifically, siguro sa games, okay, fine. You know, yung games medyo okay na yung drivers ng AMD. But for me that does video editing, like Adobe Premiere, oh, no. May problem pa rin ang AMD sa Adobe Premiere in video editing. Unlike ng Nvidia, and even in streaming guys, ang Nvidia merong, kung mapapansin nyo sa OBS nyo or dun sa XSplit nyo, meron nun NVENC support. That's Nvidia. Okay? So, kung hindi powerful yung processor nyo and you want your GPU to do the, you know, to do some task, that's the NVENC is Nvidia. Okay? So, that's the reason I got this. And what's good about the 1080 Ti is that it has one of the highest CUDA cores, which is very important for me, at least for the build that I'm thinking, which is also not just for gaming but also for video editing and streaming. So, 1080 Ti. This is wow. But just to give you an idea, guys, napakabigat nito. Halos kasi laki niya. Ito just to give you an idea kung gaano to kalaki. Ayan po. Ayan, okay? It is very very big. Kasing laki niya halos yung CPU. Okay? So, pag nilagay natin yan, nakaganon yan mamaya, 'di ba? Imagine niyo na lang nakaganon yan mamaya. So, medyo halos nandoon na siya sa dulo. Okay? Ganun siya kalaki, guys. So, this is one of the best brands din ng 1080 Ti. Okay? So, I didn't make a separate review for this because, by the way, I got this as a not as a brand new but as a used 1080 Ti. This came from an architectural company na unfortunately nag-close because of GCQ. So this is still under warranty until 2021. Ito yung I mean dun sa supplier, but at the same time we will also be giving a warranty for this sa shop namin. So alright. So, we have other 1080 Ti's available. Konti na lang, pero meron pa. So, just PM us. Okay? Alright. Okay, let me put that down. Balik rin natin. Okay, we don't want... Okay. So, mapapansin nyo, binababaan ko. This is, bukod sa malambot siya, this is also an anti-static paper. Karaniwan ito yung mga nilalagyan ng di ba? Ng computer parts. So, punta naman tayo ngayon sa motherboard. Sa motherboard, bakit kung ang pinili ko na motherboard, oops, di ba matibay kahit hulo. Ang pinili ko is the gaming, ano nga ba to? The gaming carbon, Wi-Fi ng MSI. Okay, I chose this. This is also the top of the line board ng 450B ng 450B ng MSI. So, I chose this board. When honestly pinili ko siya kasi may Wi-Fi siya. Okay? But other than that, it's a board. The sound is way better din dito sa board na to, which is very important for me as well. So, I'm choosing specs based on what I want, and what I think is also good for a PC right now na budget friendly. So, ang laki nang na-save ko honestly dito sa 1080 Ti kasi kung bibili kayo ng 1080 Ti na bago ngayon, meron pa naman by the way, ang laki, it's almost times 2, and then kung 2080 naman, lalong mas mahal yon. Okay? So, lahat ng nasave ko, nilagay ko sa mga components na to. Even the CPU, the 3600, meron namang mas mabilis na CPU sa 3600, ba't ko siya pinili? Because price to performance, this is currently in the market one of the best. Okay, this is one of the best. And walang problema sa drivers nito, so I decided, I'll just go with AMD. Why not, right? Pansin nyo, hindi ako nag-upgrade ng cooler. Okay? I didn't upgrade the cooler simply because right now, I think the stock cooler of AMD is good. Okay? If you're gonna be doing overclocking, okay, you need to change this. Maybe a Noctua air cooler would be fine, or even that flashy AIO all-in-one coolers. Okay, that would be nice as well. Maybe we will do that in the future, but for this particular build, we will go with stock coolers. For the memory, I decided to go with the XLR8 na the brand is PNY. I got this because, well, price wise, ito na yung masasabi kong pinaka of value to performance again, is because this is 3200 megahertz ang speed niya, and at the same time it's also ang latency niya is 16. So which is yung recommended or sweet spot ng na ipapartner mo sa AMD 3600. Okay? So, perfect for that. And at the same time, RGB siya guys. Okay, ilawan natin yan mamaya. Alright, isasama natin sa Mystic Lighter. For our fans, I just opted for an ARGB. Ang brand niya is YGT. It's simplistic kasi hindi ito yung may kulay lahat, sa gilid lang siya. And at the same time, I can connect, since it is ARGB, I will be connecting this sa Mystic. I can connect this, yung kanyang control box, dun sa Mystic Light nitong ng MSI, which will synchronize everything. Oh, di ba? And let's see how that's gonna pan out after we finish the build. Okay? Guys, so I will be doing the build. Medyo may katagalan siya. So let's do this now, okay?